How to see everyone you unfriended on Facebook. So if you want to see the list of the friends whom you have unfriended on Facebook, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to explore the various feeds over here. So the first step, you need to tap over your profile in the left upper corner, and here you have to tap over the three dotted horizontal line in the right hand side, and here just go for the activity log over here, and here you have to scroll down a little bit, and here's the connection option. Simply tap over the drop down and go for the minutes friends, and all of the activity related to your friends will be available. You have to go for the filters option and go for the categories. So a list of categories will be available. Here are your friends, remove friends, friend request receipt, send friend request, and blocks option. You just have to go for the remove friends option, and by doing that, all of the friends whom you have removed or unfriended will be available. You can see over here. So this is how easily you can see everyone you unfriended on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.